Welcome back to East Texas Live. We're joined now by Adam with Kelly Community Federal Credit Union, and today we're talking about ways you can protect yourself from debit card fraud. So thank you so much for being here today, Adam.
Thank you.
So I feel like we don't hear about debit card fraud. It might not be as happen as often as credit card fraud. Is that true?
It's actually becoming more and more common. Basically, there's skimming devices, there's internet purchases, which of course I think we all shop a lot online, and that's a way they can, a debit card number is just like a credit card number. They can get a hold of that, and that money comes directly out of your checking account, so it's hitting your funds quicker and more directly.
So why do we need to be worried about debit card fraud?
First of all, like I said, it's increasing, so that's always a fear. It's a form of identity theft, and it's the increasing internet purchases are really what's driving it from what we've seen.
So how does this kind of look like impacting a certain individual?
So all of a sudden what most people will see first is their checking account balance is lower than they expected. We all have a mobile phone app. We're looking at that.
Sometimes it's not the fraud though.
Yeah, it can be a lot of things, absolutely. But you'll go in, you have to file a claim. We can do them electronically, but you do have to have that sense of loss. Where's my money at? It takes 1 to 2 business days at most financial institutions to get that money back, and then there's a dispute process that goes from there. So it's just that feeling of being violated and have your identity stolen. So
yeah, so it's not impossible then to try to reverse it, try to get your money back, but
right. The credit union or your financial institution will take full responsibility, just like they would with the credit card. So you won't have a loss of funds permanently, but you do have that moment of fear.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So what can we do to prevent this? Obviously, it's what we want at the end of the day.
Some basic things are you do want to keep the card in your possession, of course. If you give the card to another individual and give them authorization to use it, you are taking a risk. When you do online purchases, make sure it's a secure site. It's one you've used before, or one that's not suspicious, doesn't have anything weird with it. The other is you really need to ensure your financial institution has a product or service that can protect the card. We use what we call CardNav. It's free with the card, and basically it has tons of features that you're able to use. You can control, your cell phone has to be near your card or it won't work. You can turn off the card completely by just clicking a button on the app, and it will make no purchases without you approving it, and turn it on right before you use it. You can turn off international purchases, you can turn off online purchases, and only turn them on right when you're ready to use it. So that's completely in your control and instantaneous. So it just gives you that full control of the card, and it's really reduced what we've seen in fraud and been very popular with our members.
Sounds like very helpful technology. So Adam, tell me a little bit about Kelly Community Federal Credit Union. If people aren't familiar with you guys, where are you located?
Absolutely. We're located, of course, online at kellycommunity.org. You can call us at 903-597-7291. We're located on 2105 West Grande Boulevard and on 5th Street across from TJC. We're open to membership to anyone who lives, works, worships, goes to school, or has a family member that does here in Smith County. So almost anyone can apply and become a member. We have all services you'd have at any financial institution.
All right, Adam, thank you so much for stopping by here today.
Absolutely, thank you.
We learned a lot. Coming up.